The male artist can tell the wife,
Mm.
don't disturb me.
Yeah.
Close. But me, no. I mean, I keep a household. I cannot tell my husband, don't disturb me. Huh? Oh my goodness, I only paint when he leaves. Then
So you start painting. How early do you start to paint?
usually 9.
9.
This is when my husband goes to office.
And then you keep on painting until you're called for lunch.
Then I eat 5 minutes. Then I rest maybe half an hour and read.
Mm-hmm.
And then I never siesta.
So you paint even if you're not preparing for an exhibition?
Oh yes, but that's it. That's why sometimes I like it because I'm painting for myself. You see.
I see.
But then somebody comes and then insists on buying it, or I had promised people. You know.
Yeah, I see. Do you get disturbed if you're painting and somebody's watching you?
I'd rather not, but
Mm.
sometimes I don't mind. But I don't like
You
it.
prefer to be alone?
Yes, because I can. That's it.
Mm.
And the Saturday group. Did you go to the Saturday?
Yes, I've been there.
I was enjoying that, but then it became so big. And people from outside, it became social. And people watching you as if you're guinea, some sort of attraction drawing.
I see, yeah.
Too many. I don't want that anymore.
But before you used to attend
Oh,
some of the
yes.
sessions?
Before, when we were only about 10, no?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
10 and
And you used to do, I think, nude sketching.
yeah, some of two of those were done in those.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm.
But then I kept Nelly here the whole day.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And I lunch with her. Then she cooks for me. I enjoy that.
I see.
Alone, then
Do you socialize with artists or?
I do, but not now, not very often. I'm sorry. They have been calling me for these meetings for the mask ball, for the artist ball. But I was able to attend only one. Because we have been here a month and we have been so busy with social.
Oh, sure, yeah.
So I couldn't.
Mm.
Yeah. But,
You find Hong Kong conducive to painting?
because I am alone. My daughters get so upset. They want me to make friends. I said, no, I said I have enough friends.
I see.
Because is this the one?
Oh, they're beautiful.
I have enough friends and I like it because I can control my time, no?
That's true. That's
Yes.
true.
This was done in a Saturday group.
Ah, I see.
And
They're
this
beautiful.
one was done in a Saturday. But you see Hong Kong prints beautifully, huh?
Fantastic.
Very good.
Is this the one in the folio?
Yes, this, and I have two of these.
They're beautiful.
And one here. Because I thought like this, people can even learn from it.
Yeah.
That's how I used to draw from.
These are quick sketches or?
Yes, well,
Mm-hmm.
it's one whole morning for this.
They're lovely.
There were several. I just chose what I thought would be. But these two were done in the Saturday group.
They're beautiful.
They very good painting. I love working with pencil, don't you? Love to work with
Pencil is because it's free, you know.
I like pencil drawings. So I'm making this series of baskets just for my own.
Beautiful. How is this reproduced then?
I don't know. I should really have. I don't know why I didn't get I should get but they told me this one, they don't use any transparent, like the colored one for the Christmas card, they get
Yeah.
the transparencies. They said they use a cardboard.
A cardboard.
Yeah,
I see.
after that they throw it away.
Mm.
So I was trying to get it.
I see.
Hong
They're
Kong
beautiful.
is so good for these things.
You get really quality
Mm,
materials.
and not too expensive either. So this one we decided to sell it cheaply
Mhm.
because I said so even the young
Yeah.
people can collect
Can
also
collect.
some
That's
works.
true. That's true.
So as long as I got what I spent, that's all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We didn't.
So what are your other projects for the future to conclude the interview?
Well, right now, no, I always said that the next painting is the best.
It's
I
the
want to
best.
believe because I'm very critical of my work.
Ah, really?
So sometimes I hate going to homes and looking at my work
Mhm.
because I start to see why defects in it,
Mhm,
and
mhm.
I'm so tempted to say, "Give it back to me. I want to correct it." But then I said, "Why should I? Since that's how I felt then.
Mhm,
Maybe
mhm.
now I feel differently."
Mhm, mhm.
But so I'm looking forward to, well, just to be able to paint for. I said paint for myself, although they are really orders that I have to comply.
Mhm, mhm.
But I don't want to feel for whom. I just want it as if it's mine.
So but these are actually commissions.
Yes,
Ah.
not commissions, but like you paint for me, you put in my list, put in the list. So I
Mm.
have about 50 of those like that.
I don't know how you manage to keep up with your orders.
Yes, so that's why I don't want any exhibits this time
Mm.
because I'll be very busy. I'm also have two daughters having babies.
I see.
So I'm still a mother and a wife. So that
Yeah.
makes that Manansalat told me once, you'll never be a good painter, a great painter. Why? I said, because you are married, you have many. Yes, and because the artist, the male artist can tell the wife,
Mm.
don't disturb me.
Yeah.
Close, but me,
Mhm.
no. I mean, I keep a household, so I know.
You
I
cannot
said,
tell everyone to keep off.
I cannot tell my husband, don't disturb me. Huh? Oh my goodness, I only paint when he leaves.
I see.
Out.
Oh, but do you have any women painters in particular?
Who,
In
who,
a favorite, for instance? Is it
you mean
European?
in European?
American, maybe.
Yes, I like so much. I always forget her name. There's some French.
French, Mary Cassatt.
Mary, no, I don't. Yes, it's good, but I don't like. It's too childish, no? America Sass.
Mhm.
There's one that's always forget her name.
She's French woman?
French.
Modern? Sonia
no,
Delaunay?
No.
What sort of works?
I like it. This
Sonia Delaunay?
lot of sunshine, lot of sunlight.
Mhm.
Oh, I cannot remember. But I really don't look. Just like in Cranbrook, you learn from the works, no?
Mhm.
When you have a problem. But actually, like even modern, sometimes I don't want to remember. I go to museums because in Japan they have very good exhibits.
Mhm,
We go to modern museum. And I enjoy it. After that, unless sometimes it gives you an idea, but I don't want to be influenced too much,
I see.
because if you influence, sometimes I think you destroy your own creativeness, no?
So you try to resist influences?
Resist influence, yeah.
Mm.
I'm not too keen on. I enjoy look and enjoy it, but I don't really try to remember. So
I
even
see.
names, sometimes I'm embarrassed. I don't accept Michelangelo, the real good
Yeah.
artist.
Mm.
Like and sometimes like I also feel frustrated because sometimes there's some big names and like the buffet,
Mhm.
which I really think I don't enjoy.
Mhm.
It's he must be good,
Yeah.
or even Picasso.
Mhm.
I still feel like I like his blue period,
Mhm,
his
mhm.
and his drawings, but some of his works I like the colors. But
Mhm.
I just don't see how I don't understand.
You don't respond to it.
Yeah.
I see.
I don't respond to it. So.
One final question. It's about this idea of having a Philippine painting.
Mhm.
I mean, I think when during your earlier days at the PAG,
Pag.
in the
With
in the
Vidal Villa.
50s or something like that.
Yes. I had exhibit there, one-man show.
I see.
Mhm.
All these painters are wondering what the Filipino painting is all about.
Mhm.
So what were your personal thoughts on this?
I never thought of it. I just felt like I should paint, even though I have left the Philippines, and I've always felt that I was a Filipina, and I only want. That's why even now, even Hong Kong, I wouldn't dare paint a Chinese. I don't really know what the Chinese feels.
Mm-hmm. I see.
So that's why one thing that I really appreciate that somebody said that my women you would feel like you would revere them. Because even if they're poor, they have some dignity. And I feel like the Filipino woman is, even how poor she is, she has a pride. It's just that, that look of, I'm, yung sariling, what you call that, like,
She can stand on her own.
on own. Like she said, why these women, you can revere them, they feel like there's something. Well, I feel like that. I know the Filipino woman because I know how I feel. A Filipino woman must feel like me, that you go to the market, she may be poor, but she has a lot of pride, or the people in the, especially the Ilocano, the province, like my maid once, I told her, and she was so proud. I said, why don't you get married? She should have a boyfriend. What's keeping the wedding? Because she told me she's not married. Oh, she said, because my parents want a house, Carabao, and a piece of land. And that is why she said, my daughter's getting married. She will not just get married without some, And she was my maid. She was a poor girl, but the family had that pride for the women, that their daughter was something precious.
That's true.
And I feel that's the feeling of a Filipino woman. Of course, I'm not talking of the modern.
Right.
I'm talking of the country girl. So that's why I felt like I cannot paint a Chinese. I don't know what the Chinese feels. Besides, the Chinese are always so correct. It's the sitting and they're very careful. The Chinese people are very careful of their emotions. They don't burst out like a Filipina. They don't make gestures. They don't do what. And I like the Filipina because she makes gestures. She's very articulate.
Yeah, I see.
Don't you feel? They laugh. Well, that's one thing.
They're
I've been
spontaneous.
laughter. I have painted that many times. Laughter. And I know how they feel because I am one. Even if I live abroad, I still feel I know how a Filipina feels or reacts.
What has painting given you in terms of as a human being?
Oh, I think I feel I'm very lucky in that respect. I think because I really enjoy it. I don't know what I feel. I just enjoy it.
You think you're a
and I
better
want-
person for having been given this gift?
Oh yes, I think so. Besides, I feel that I feel so happy when somebody likes my work, enjoys it. That's why whenever they say they like it, then I feel happy that we have done something that people like. No, that's
Right.
more than anything. And I am happy that I have something to do that I enjoy, because that's what I kids sometimes. People work so hard and they are so hate their work, and why do we have to do this? And but I said, how lucky that God gave me this work that I enjoy. I really enjoy it.
So you think you'll be painting as long as you can?
I think so. I think because I never get bored. And I think it's nice because you see beauty where others don't.
That's true.